Aren't we normally down in by the water or on the water in your boat or something?
This is a pretty special bridge.
I got a challenge.
It says, thanks to this medicine, we survived prohibition even though we weren't sick.
Whatever.
When our head clears after our jump,
Our what?
we're jumping, Kyle.
You have to catch it.
Come on.
Tell me what we're going to be fishing for today.
You know, even if the fish aren't biting, you're getting exercise, you're out soaking up the sun.
It's your tasting. We'll take you on your journey on how you want to go.
Brent, this is a beautiful river.
It's the water that we use in our fermentation. It's the water that we use for our steam that we use in the distillation. Pretty much without this river, we couldn't make Four Roses Bourbon.
So you got any finished product?
Yeah, I got a place we can go.
We are here downtown Lawrenceburg, Kentucky.
If they're not eating, they're always buying gas.
We'll see you downstream.